Objective 5. List the major characteristic of bryophytes and 3 representative species. And Objective 6. After reviewing the life cycle of mosses, explain why they must be found in a moist environment. And to answer that one, we're going to have to look on page 97 in our textbook. But let's talk about bryophytes a little bit. They are our non-vascular plants. They don't have any way to transport water and organic nutrients by any of these vessels that you see in vascular plants. They don't have true roots or stems or leaves. Their dominant generation is the gametophyte, and their eggs are going to be made in the archegonium, the female gametophyte, and then the antheridium is where they make their sperm, which have flagella on them. And the sperm has to swim to the egg in a film of water. And you can see that if you look on page 97 and you look down there. You start out with the mature gametophytes down there, number 1 on the left at the bottom. That you got the antheridium, that's the male, and the archegonium is the female, and then fertilization happens because those sperm from the antheridium swim to that egg that's in the archegonium. And then, of course, you've got the zygote that's formed, and then the life cycle continues and just whips around from gametophyte to sporophyte to gametophyte to sporophyte. So when we look at major types, we'll be looking, Objective 5 said to list 3 representative species, and they are here. Your liverworts, hornworts, and your mosses. And number 7 objective tells us to list 3 uses of bryophytes. They contribute to the lush beauty of the forest. They grow close to the ground, and because they don't have any specialized way to transport water and nutrients. They are also good because they convert rocks to soil, and scientists study these because they have the ability to resist chemical reagents and decay and herbivores. So they're hoping that some of the knowledge of these could transfer to other organisms if they can learn more about them. So even though they're very tiny, very low to the ground, you find them growing on the edge of a stream or a river, right close to the water, because they've got to have that watery environment. They are still very useful.